Welcome to my channel, Fitness and Baking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a batch of soft and chewy sugar cookies. Let's get started. Today I have to work in the small corner by the stove because my cat won't get off the counter. You're going to need 1 stick of softened butter, 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You're going to need 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 large egg. Today I'm going to be doing everything with a hand mixer because my mom's cat won't get off the counter. And you're going to have to preset the oven to 350. Alright, since my cat finally got off the counter, what you're going to start doing first is take the butter and the sugar, and you're going to cream it until it's light and fluffy. So this is what you're going to want it to look like. Normally takes about 3 to 5 minutes on a medium to low speed. Next, you're going to add 1 egg and mix that in as well. Once that's fully mixed in, make sure you just keep scraping down after each ingredient. And next you're going to add the vanilla. And then same thing, mix it in. Before we add in the solid ingredients, we're just going to push that aside. You're going to take the flour, the salt, and the baking powder and just mix it in all together. And once you've done that, you're only going to put in 1/3 at a time and mix it in. At this part, just mix it in until it's just combined. And then add another 1/3. And then the last little bit. And just before it's completely combined in, just scrape down the sides of the bowl to get all of that into the dough. At this point, you're all done, and we are going to start scooping them out. I will be baking my cookies today on my mom's stone cookie sheet. If you're using a normal pan, just make sure you spray the pan down with non-stick spray, or you're going to have probably a difficult time taking them out. I'm also using a small scoop. This is roughly probably 1.5 ounces. If you don't have a scoop, you can just scoop it out with 2 teaspoons or 2 regular spoons, and I'll show you that. So if you don't have the scooper, you can just take some on a spoon and just drop it down like old-fashioned way. I'm going to continue using the scoop because I get the same size cookie throughout and they cook a little better being all the same size. Now if you want to add some color to it, you can add some food coloring at this point as well, or any other decorations you want, whether it's colored sprinkles or colored sugar. And then what I like to do is take the back of the scoop or back of the spoon and then just press it down just a little bit. Doing it this way, you'll get a little bit of a flatter cookie as well. This will roughly make about 14 cookies, so it's a great small batch. Normally you want to use a coarser sugar, but I don't have any today, so I'm just going to be sprinkling on just some regular granulated sugar. You can also, if you want, just roll them in it. I just like to sprinkle it on. Alright, so my cookies just came out of the oven. I did have to add 3 more minutes. You can tell when they're done when you start to see just a little bit of browning on the edges, and these are perfect. Alright, and that is how you make sugar cookies. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video.